So there'll be a concrete platform here, stairs to another decked platform, and then stairs to another decked platform, and then stairs down to like just the ground level. And that's all going to be filled up. We're going to build a retaining wall down there. Bit of a busy road, guys. Braden's helped me out today. So you missed out on yesterday, but we formed all this up. Look, he's smiling over there. We formed all this up. We're just finishing the bracing off now. I'm going to put a bit of steel in, and then we're pouring it today. Okay, now YouTube, we're leveling this. So my fixed point is down here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's where we're going to be flush with the concrete. So I've leveled it out that way. Then what have we done, Brady? Tell them.
So now come across, leveled it this way.
Which way? Explain.
I don't explain.
Come on, quickly.
Done this, cut that, made that to height, leveled this through.
We leveled it out from here, this point over here.
This point.
That way. And then we leveled it this way, and now we're leveling it back that way.
I was going to say that.
So this way looks good.
Out of the way.
Alrighty, she's screeded. She's in. Now we're going to let it go off, and then we'll come back and finish her off. All 54 bags exactly. We've got a little bit left over. But you a beauty. Alrighty, so we had to do a little bit of digging. Sorry, a lot of digging under the stairs because we need clearance. This timber is treated, but you still do need 150 clearance from the ground level. So we had to take it out. We did a whole bunch of digging. We put the stair treads together, and now I've pinned the top off to the concrete just with 2 bugle screws and some spaghetti, just to temporary hold it. I'm going to be putting bigger fixings in there later. But now I'm working on my bottom. So I want my bottom to run basically parallel with the edge of the concrete. So I've got a straight edge running parallel with the concrete. And now what I do is I plumb down to the edge of my stairs, and that'll tell me where the edge of my stairs needs to be. So what I've done for the height is I know the platform that the camera's on, the concrete platform, that's level. And I've done 5 rises. So my rises are all the same, they're all 140. So then I've gone 5 times 140, which is 700. So I set my laser at that, and then I measured up 700. So that means that when this beeps, it should be, that's 700 down. So I've got to come up just a fraction. This one's going to come up as well, which I'm going to get a tool for that because I'm not doing it by myself. These are perfect for this, the Jack and Jill coin. So I'll just put it underneath where I want it to go. Now, because it's not big enough, just use a rock. Ugh. Which I guess that's good because that means that I've got enough clearance. Because I want 150 in clearance and these got 150. So that. Here we go. That is the exact height I want it. Now I'm just going to double check the straightness, I guess, or parallel with that. Yeah, fuck yeah, that's really good. Double check the height. I'm going to be annoyed if it's not right, but anyway. Beautiful. This side. This side needs to come up. So what we're going to do is whack another one in there. Take this out. Double check the height again. Cool. That's done for now. You say steak.
Stairwell. Sleeping.
You don't mind?
What? You?
Alrighty, bit of an update. So, we've got the next set of stairs just went in there. Braden's starting to dig some post holes. We got the platform as well. So currently we've got concrete platform stairs, deck platform, another set of stairs, and then another deck platform. He's just working on digging some post holes here, there, and there, and then he's going to do another 4 there. Got these next set of stairs that are going to go onto the end of that platform just there. So I'm going to whack these together now. Okay, so now we've got the string in. I've tacked it off to the deck that's up there now because the deck's level. Now I'm just working on the bottom. I've got this pink string line here and I'm keeping it parallel, everything parallel with this string line. So what we're gonna do is measure from the stringer, this one here, to that string line to make sure it's straight. Once it is, I'm gonna put a post in where it is meant to be. Then the post is gonna stop the leg or this whole section kicking out that way. Then I'm gonna get the laser and I'll tell you that in a sec. Okay, so basically how I'm going to work out if the bottom landing is in the right spot is, I know how many risers there are, right? Because I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 risers, and each one of my risers is 140. So then I would go 7 times 140. I'd set the laser to the top landing so that I know that that's level. And then I would minus whatever 7 times 140 is, which I think is 980. Set my laser at 980, and then now that should be exactly 980 down from the top of the landing. Alrighty, moved along. Got the other set of stairs in. Look at him go. Got Big Schultze helping me out today. We've got stairs, platform, stairs, Do another little platform here. And then we're gonna do like a little 45 like that, and another set of stairs directly down there. Ultra wide lens. So a little platform like this, and then another set right there. All right, now I'm just making the last platform for the deck. And then we'll just, when we put the post in, just whack that down like that. And then
All done for today.